Welcome to a video from thegislife.com. I'm just going to quickly show you the changes in Task Manager in this new release of Windows 11. This will be going out to all machines eventually. And the first thing is here at the top, you've got the search bar or filter bar for Task Manager. So if you're looking for an application that's misbehaving and you want to find out on here, you want to look at, and you've got a lot of things going through. I've only got a few applications open, but let's say I start typing Notepad. You can see it immediately filters on that. If I start typing R for regedit, you can see all the things that have got R in them, and then there you see regedit. You can do it on application name, you can do it on the process ID, or even the publisher. So I think you could say Microsoft, and it would show all the Microsoft ones and so on. So it's a nice quick way of looking at or finding what you want on through the Task Manager. So the other things that you can do on this is there is improved theme support. So if I go into settings, you see you've got the option of light mode, dark mode, or system settings. So this is in system setting mode, I'm in dark mode, and that's why you see it like that. So you can choose which mode you want, which is good as well. And I think they've also improved some of the dialog boxes so that when they pop up, they actually respect the light or the dark mode. So if you get any dialog boxes other than the run one, then they support the dark mode. I don't know why the run one still is light mode, but I guess that's because it's using the basic system one. That's probably some legacy compatibility reason why that works like that. So some other things you've got there, if you enable efficiency mode, there's a tick box to say don't ask it again as well. So those are major changes with Task Manager. So there's small things. The search thing is certainly going to make life a little bit easier when you've got a machine with lots of tasks running and you want to narrow down what you're looking for. Thanks so much for this video. You can find out more on our YouTube channel.